Let me just give y'all the rundown on why I wanted to do this YouTube topic. In addition to introducing you guys to my new waist bead collections. All right, bye. I'm hanging up.
Why?
I need to record the video.
I don't want to keep going. Oh.
Babe, what? Bye. What? What? What's wrong with you? How you gonna say all right bye and then flag me off, and then when I'm saying bye you get mad?
What? Like you keep hanging up the phone.
Oh babe, you miss me. Wow girls, we haven't done this in a while, but we're here now, okay? Don't judge the lack of consistency. I've had a few life changes, all right? I'm gonna have a video that's coming out probably after this one that's actually just talking about some of the life changes that I have had. But if y'all know this background, y'all know I'm at my mom's house. I'm in Philly, and it's Black Friday. Today's Black Friday. It's like 10 p.m. and I'm making this video because I'm literally like in a place where I'm starting to understand what balance in life looks like. And balance does not always mean that something like 50% of your attention goes here, 50% goes there. No, sometimes balance looks like it's 90-10. Sometimes balance looks like it's 40 here, 30 there, and what's the man, 20, 40 somewhere else, okay? 20 somewhere else, okay? No, 30, 50, 90, 40 somewhere else. All right, yeah, I'm just learning what balance looks like right now. I'll just tell y'all now, like I'm in school, I have Black Friday, I have to be with my family, I have a boyfriend, and I don't even have kids. I ain't even add kids into the mix yet. Like, can you even believe that? I don't even have kids yet, and I'm still over here trying to figure out, like, come on life, like come on, life is really lifing right now. Yesterday, let me just give y'all the rundown on why I wanted to do this YouTube topic. In addition to introducing you guys to my new waist bead collections and the things that I offered for Black Friday, because I think that's important. I know a lot of y'all want to see that, but let me just talk to y'all real quick. Let me run my mouth, because you know I'm good at that. So yesterday I was supposed to start my Black Friday sale at 7 p.m. I decided to start my sale today at 3 p.m. It actually wasn't my decision, but that's the way things worked out. So that's just what I had to roll with. So in my mind, I was like 7 p.m. I'm rolling out, like I'm getting everybody money first. Like people is going to be on my store before they shop anywhere else. But it didn't end up working out that way, because I was with my family. I cooked all day for Thanksgiving, and the food was immaculate. Like, this might have been our best, like, chef's kiss to all of me and my sisters. But the food was great. Cooking with my sisters all day. Oh my gosh, y'all, please do not mind this. I'm trying to push my nose ring back in my nose, and it's not working out. And it hurts so bad. So I even completely forgot the fact that my nose ring was sticking out my nose like this. So just roll with me here, because I'm not going to take it out. But anyway, at 7 p.m. I was still in the kitchen cooking, okay? I don't know about y'all families, but me and my family, we eat at like 8 o'clock, because we cook all the food. Like, every year, we don't ever go anywhere else for Thanksgiving. We cook all the food by ourselves. But at that point, I knew that I needed to get my work done for Black Friday. So I was just looking at the time, and I was just like, all right, like, I understand, like, I have to get my stuff done for Black Friday, but I know that my family, like, they don't really understand what I do all the time. So if I would have sat in my room on my laptop, they would have been like, girl, you didn't do anything, you don't ever do anything, all you do is sit on your phone and your laptop, blah blah blah, you're doing nothing whole time. I'm running the whole business, but that's okay. So sat down there, cooked, whatever. After we ate dinner, I sat with my family for like an hour, got to work, got busy, editing photos, uploading stuff to my website, all of that stuff, like to the point where I was like at the table, like I'm staring at my laptop, and I literally, like, my eyes closed because I was so freaking tired. Came to bed. God woke me up at like 5 a.m. this morning. Sat, chilled for a little bit. I'm not even gonna lie, I chilled for a little bit because I was just like, I'm chilling, okay? I needed to chill for a little bit, so that's what I did. And after I chilled for a little bit, I got up, got on my laptop, pounded the pavements again, started editing more, uploading to my website, just doing the most, reconstructing the whole website. It was a lot. Like, it's a lot. Making graphics, it's a lot. I still didn't even send an email out for Black Friday. Like, that's so bottom of the barrel, business owner, marketing. But it's all right. I'm going to just send it tomorrow, and I'm going to just trust God. God knew I was going to be here right now doing this video, needing to be at my friend's house. Like, he knew I was going to be here right now. So it's cool. Like, let me call my boyfriend, because we supposed to go to my friend's house, and it started at 8 o'clock. It's now 10 p.m. so we're trying to figure out if it's too late to go over there. He just texted me, but I can't see my phone because I want to stop my video, so I'm just going to call him. What they say, babe?
You need to take care of you. They didn't respond. I was gonna tell you to
call someone.
Call someone.
Why you don't get dressed?
I can, but if they ain't coming, then what? I mean, if we can't go, then what?
They just gonna take your clothes off. Okay, we're back. I had to have a brief intermission to talk to my boyfriend. He completely threw me off, but it's cool though. All right, so let's get back. So that me even having a conversation in the middle of me recording a YouTube video with my boyfriend that's like missing me right now, is trying to be a little bit clingy, is the point that I'm trying to make when I'm saying like you have to really try to figure out how to like just balance everything. And I'm just really struggling. I'm not struggling, but I'm configuring what it's going to look like for me to be like a boss babe. And you know, nowadays they have this like thing where like the feminine women and like the Christian women are like, oh, you can't be a boss babe and be a wife, and you know that boss babe thing needs to go in the trash. But like I'm literally a boss babe. Like I'm going to be like a boss babe, and I run a company, and I'm going to run several companies, and I'm still going to birth babies, and I'm still going to have a husband, and I'm still going to live in my purpose and do all of this simultaneously. Like I just feel like to whom much is given, much is required. And it's a genre. Like it's a genre. I'm not going to be a stay-at-home wife. I'm not going to even speak to... I'm gonna be whatever God wants me to be. I'm gonna say that. I'm gonna be whatever God wants me to be. And if that includes being a stay-at-home wife at some point, that's fine. But I know that's not what God got for me forever. Like me just, excuse me, me just being straight out of commission for forever and just being stuck being somebody's wife and mom. Absolutely, like, I just can't even imagine staying in a house all day with a 5-year-old and a 2-year-old. Like it's just going crazy in my mind even thinking about it. But will I have a business while staying in the house with a 5-year-old and a 2-year-old? Yes, I will. Will I be running a business out of my home or doing what I can, like working from home for my business? Yes, I can. But will I have a nanny? Yes, I will. Will I have a chef? Yes, I will. Will I have a house cleaner? Yes, I will. So, you know, it's like you just have to learn how to configure all of these things. Like, I don't think that I have to be slaving over the stove and, you know, being such a good wife and sitting there waiting with the wop for my husband when he comes home from work, and that's just my only duties in order for me to be like a good Christian woman. Like, absolutely not. I am going to be everything that God called me to be. My destiny and my calling comes with a lot. It comes with me having multiple businesses. It comes with me being a lot of different places, meeting a lot of different people, and I cannot let like stereotypes and stigmas and any of that stuff stop me, or people's opinions about what it looks like to be like a boss babe, like to be like a businesswoman or a working corporate woman or whatever. And while simultaneously having a family and a husband and stuff like that, I'm going to learn how to balance my life out, and whatever is priority at the time will get priority. If I have a newborn, obviously my business is not going to be my #1 priority. But when my kid is 10 and they're at school, obviously my businesses may be my main priority. But it's just about learning how to configure your life to make everything fit and make everything matter. Like, I think it's okay that I cooked until 7 and may have lost out on a little bit of money because it was a sacrifice to be with my family and now be able to start myself today. Like, I still made a nice couple little dollars like so far, and I'm okay with that. Like, it's not that I don't want to be smart about it and make more money, but that's fine. Like, God knew I was going to be here. He knew every single dollar that's coming into my account. He knew that was what I was going to make, and I'm okay with that. If you guys have any tips or anything like that about configuring your life, if you're an entrepreneur, wanting to be an entrepreneur, a corporate babe, or whatever the case may be, and you have a family, you have a husband, like, let me know how you balance your stuff in the comments. Like, let me know what you do. If you have a cleaning person, a chef, like if you meal prep or whatever works for you, because I would definitely like to hear women who are not just stuck being at work and don't have kids or don't have a husband, and who are also not just stuck in a house all day. Like, somebody who has like a good balance. Like, I've watched my mom balance it all, and it's some things that I would change and tweak from what she did, but for the most part she did a really good job at balance, like quote unquote balance it. It was points where she worked 2 jobs. It was points where she was leaving work and leaving hair school, cosmetology school, to come pick us up, take us home, drop us off, go back to school or go back to work, and then come home, cook us like that. Oh, for me, that's an absolute no. I'm not doing that. But my mom did it, and it worked for her, you know. But that's not my story, and that's not gonna be my story. But if you guys have any tips or tricks or anything like that, definitely let me know down below in the comments. I'm going to use this time to show you guys what I'm actually selling today for Black Friday. I think that my waist beads are amazing. I love the waist beads. Like, they're just 10 out of 10 they give. So let me show you one of my favorite sets. I have about like 6 different sets. So what I did for the first time with this Black Friday sale is I put crystal sets together. There are some that are like seed beads and traditional bead sets, but I just have about 6 sets on there, and I just want to test it out to see how my customers like it. If a lot of people like it, then I'll keep it. But as you guys know, my waist beads are about they range from $42 to $49. So $50, $42 to $50. So what I did was I made the sale, the set is a set of 3 and the set is $110. But of course it's Black Friday, you get 40% off my website. So if you get it now, I think it comes out to about $65, which you can never beat, because one of my waist beads is about $50 and you're getting 3 of them for about $65. So if you are going to jump at any time, jump now, because the way I'm not making my coins by doing this sale, that's cool. And I realized Black Friday is not even Black Friday in this year. Some sites that don't even have any like crazy Black Friday markdowns or coupon codes or whatever the case may be, but I'm not doing that for my people. I'll take the hit to make sure that I show appreciation back to my customers at this time of year. So yeah, I'm just gonna take the hit. So here is one of the sets. So it's a set of 3. Of course it looks like 6 because yeah, I have it double, but this is the set. And as you can see, it's like a gold bead, a chocolate bead, and a white or like cream bead. It has like pink and gold flecks in it. So this is just what it's giving. Like, if you feel like you can miss up on this, go ahead. This actually might be sold out by the time I make this video, but I'm willing to put more on my site if more people want it, because honestly I only had 3. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I only had 3, and I did see one person purchase them. I didn't look through everybody's order, but if it sells out, I would be willing to put more on the site. So we'll see. And I feel like I owe it to my YouTube first to show y'all what I had first, but honestly my timing just has not been working out for me to be able to record a whole video, upload a whole video, and all of that stuff. So I've been struggling with keeping my YouTube up. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, but to whom much is given, much is required. So I'll be back on here. Here's the second one. So it has 2 pink beads. One of them is like more of like golden pink. Another one is just like pink. It's called the GGB. Actually, the other 2 beads are actually not individually sold on my site. So here's what this set looks like. It's super gorgeous. Pink, gold, and green. And you see the pearls. Like, it's really, really cute. So if you have the crystal waist beads, you know. But if you guys read some of my comments, like, my customers, there's a reason why they love the beads. Like, these are unbeatable, unmatchable. I'll show you guys what my beads look like. I don't even have waist beads this bomb on. I literally save them for my customers. But yeah, my customers are obsessed with them because they're so pretty. Today my mom was like joking with me because I didn't have a bra on. Like, I refused to wear a bra because I think they're uncomfortable. I'm in the house, like, I'm not about to walk, I'm gonna sag, okay? So I started jumping up and down from down the hall, and she was like, wow, your waist beads are beautiful. And I was like, thank you, girl. Like, I just love the feminine touch that they add. Like, the fact that they just decorate your waist and make you look so gorgeous and so pretty, that's everything to me. I love that. And look how gorgeous they are. Look, look, look. The Yawa turquoise and the Cara bead. This bead right here, this is called Cara, and this is the Yawa turquoise bead. And this pink one with these with these gold and green jewels is not on my site yet. But the Cara and the Yawa, they did one thing, okay? They did multiple things on my site, okay? They do a few things actually on my site. They are so freaking pretty. Like, I didn't need any more waist beads when I got the inventory for this, and I absolutely had to have them. Like, I was like, ain't no way I'm not gonna have them. So I'll show you one more. This traditional set, I do have a glow in the dark set. Let me just show you guys that real quick. Let me try to hurry up. This set right here, I'm not going to unravel it and take it all out, but you could just see how gorgeous this is. This is like red and green and iridescent. Like, let me try to get it to Focus. Focus, 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 focus. All right, there we go. You can see how pretty that stud is. It's white, cream, red. It has a glow in the dark bead. It's just really, really pretty. And I have a traditional set right here. The traditional set is not 65. I think it comes out to like 34. And this is 3 beads. It's a traditional bead, and it is a tradition. It's 2 traditional beads and a traditional bead mixed with like some crystals. And I really love those. Like I love the crystals. Like they're just so pretty. As you can see, like look at my hair. I'm very much extra. The hair I'm wearing also, by the way, is from my hair company. It is water wave hair, and all I did was like I blow dried it out and it looks like my hair texture. Like it matches my natural hair really, really well. So it's a sew-in. I normally wear U parts, but I wanted to try sewing. I ain't had one in like a couple years, so I put a sew-in in my hair, and it looks really good. Like this is my favorite way of wearing this water wave hair. It kind of mimics like that kinky straight type of hair, but it's hard to find kinky straight hair, so the water wave hair did the same, gave the same effect. So yeah. Also on my website on sale are my wash sponges. So here are 2 colors. This is peachy pink and this is purple. And these sponges, if you guys see my skin, look on my Instagram. The skin gives, okay? The skin gives, okay? You see the skin? It gives. This is what I've been using since I was a child. These are like $12 right now. They're imported all the way from Ghana, okay? So if you want that Ghanaian skin, if you want that West African skin, these are your best bet. I added so many new colors. I added navy blue, red, dark blue. Like they're there, okay? If you want the gorgeous Ghana skin, get these. You don't have to get waist beads. You don't need everything off my site. Get these, okay? Here they go. So what I also had on my site was these bracelets. Like I'm not going to show you guys all the colors. You guys are going to have to go and look on the site, and even if you click the description box down below, it's going to actually give you some of my products on my website. Like it's going to show you how much things cost, and you can actually start ordering from the description down below. So for all you guys that's like, what's the site? You can just click the description. It'll show you so many different waist beads, and these are my bracelets. I added so many different styles. Right now I'll tell you all the ones I have on. This is multi gold, this is dark gold, this is blue, this is chrome blue, and this is iridescent. So I'm going to wear these all together tonight. I think this is a good combo. They look really, really cute. And I just talked so fast and I just told you guys so much, but I hope you guys really enjoyed your holiday, your Thanksgiving, all of that stuff. I'm doing a vlog of this whole week so you guys can see like just what I have going on and just meet my family a little bit and just see some inside of my life. Like I'm literally in my mom's house. Like it feels like I'm back at square zero, but this is literally the bottom, and this is an opportunity for me to show you guys what it looks like to start from quote unquote nothing. And because one day you guys are going to see me just be this crazy amazing person, and like I have to show you guys where I started from. Like I'm literally recording with the curtain backdrop, and I just pull it to the sides as best as I can so you guys can see that I did my paint when I was like 16 and it's all uneven. And this is where I started. I have an amazing apartment now that I can aesthetically please people, but this is where I started. Like I wouldn't be where I am today if I didn't start from here. So if you got to pull a curtain behind you and put this, the ring light is literally hanging on the lens of the camera, and I make it do what it do, okay? I did all my work from my bed in my mother's house today. My waist beads are sitting on a stool in front of me. Like this stuff is this is for real, okay? Running a whole company, not knowing how I'm going to do it and where it's going to come from, but literally just trusting God. That's it. And I know that in like relation to what I talked about, in the future, I know God is going to give me that balance. God is going to allow me to bring all of this stuff together so that I'm not all over the place, because God don't want me to be all over the place, do we? No, he don't. So this is where we at with it, y'all. I love y'all. Thank you guys for watching. I'm so happy to be here. I'm so happy to be sharing this with you guys. I love you guys. Bye.